Hello, this is 2 days before I'm having my heart surgery, and let me take and turn this a little bit this way. Okay. I don't know why, why there's no sun up in the sky, stormy weather, since my gal and I ain't together. You know, it just seems to be raining all the time. You know, it just seems to be raining all the time. Life is bare. Oh, there's gloom and there's misery everywhere. Stormy weather, since my gal and I ain't together. You know, I'm just so weary all the time. Yeah. You know, I'm just so weary all the time. Oh, when she went away, oh, the blues walked in and they met me. If she stays away, oh, an old rocking chair is gonna get me. So all I do, oh, I sit and I pray. Oh, I pray that the good Lord, that He'll let me walk in the sun, yeah, just one more time. I can go on. Everything I've ever had is gone. Stormy weather, since my gal and I ain't together. You know, I'm just so weary. You know, I'm always weary. Oh, I'm just so weary all the time. And you know, that's because it's raining all the time. You know, it's just raining all the time. So, at the end of stormy weather, so I go in for my aortic valve replacement the day after tomorrow, and I'm going to be playing the guitar twice as good. Everything's going to be working twice as good. So, c'est la vie.